Today we are going to see how to draw the output of a clamper circuit using direct method. So let us say this circuit diagram is given to you and the input of the circuit diagram is this waveform. Now we have to draw the output for this circuit diagram. So step 1, first you measure the length of input voltage. Let this is L. How to calculate this L? This one we are going to calculate by means of V max minus V min. So in this case the maximum voltage is 10 volt minus the minimum voltage is minus 10 volt. So length of input is 20 volt. Now to draw the output waveform, first we have to see what is the battery potential connected with the diode. So in this circuit, the battery potential is of 5 volt. So to draw the output waveform, first you draw a horizontal line of plus 5 volt. So this is plus 5 volt. Now your entire input is either shifted up or it is going to shifted down with respect to this battery potential. With respect to this battery potential 5 volt. If the diode is connected in this position, then this indicates that input waveform is going to shift it down with respect to this battery potential, right? So this entire input is going to shift it below to this 5 volt. So you'll get one bottom line that this is V min. But the length of output and the length of output and the length of input will be same. So from here to here it is 20 volt. Now we can calculate this V min. So 5 minus V min is 20. So V min equal to minus 15 volt. So this point is minus 15 volt. Now we can say this 10 volt is shifted to plus 5 and this minus 10 is going to shifted to minus 15. Then this 0 will go to minus 5. Every point is of the input is shifted by minus 5. 10 is shifted to plus 5, minus 10 shifted to minus 15, this 0 will shifted to minus 5. The top point of the input will remain at the top of output. So this 10 will go to this plus 5. This minus 10 in the output will go to minus 15. And this 0 point is shifted to minus 5. This 0 also shifted to minus 5. At this point input is 0 voltage which is shifted to minus 5 at output. Now you join all this point, you'll get this output waveform. This is V out. So what is the relation between the V out and V in? Your V out is nothing but equal to V in minus 5. Means ki minus 5 a DC voltage is added with the input voltage at each and every point. So from where this minus 5 voltage we are getting in the output. So once this diode is in the on state, the voltage is going to develop across this VC. and this voltage is 5 volt. So your output is nothing but V in minus 5. Now I am taking the second circuit. Let us say the second circuit diagram is given like this. So directly I am going to draw the output for this circuit diagram. What is the step 1? See what is the battery potential. So here it is minus 5 voltage connected with the diode D. So draw a horizontal line of minus 5 volt. And the position of diode indicate it's a positive clamper. It means your entire input is shifted upward with respect to this minus 5 volt. So you'll get one top line. Let this is Vmax. The length of input and the length of output will remain same. So this L equal to 20 volt in this case. So what is Vmax? Vmax minus 5 equal to 20. So the Vmax is 15 volt, right? So this point is plus 15 volt. So the range of output is from minus 5 to plus 15. The top point of the input will shifted to the top of the output, and the bottom of the input will be shifted at the bottom of output. So minus 10 shifted to minus 5 and plus 10 is shifted to plus 15. It means how much DC is added with the input? Plus 5 volt. So I can say this 0 is also shifted to plus 5 volt. If plus 10 is shifted to plus 15, then 0 also shifted to plus 5. So the input of 0 voltage will be at plus 5 volt at the output. This plus 10 volt of the input will be at the plus 15 volt at the output. This 0 voltage of the input will be at the plus 5 volt of the output, and this minus 10 will be at minus 5 at the output, and this 0 point at 0 at this 0 voltage will be at plus 5 volt at the output. Now if I am going to join this, we'll get this. So this is my output. What is the relation between the input and output? So here V out is nothing but V in plus 5. This plus 5 voltage is going to develop across this capacitor C. Now once your diode is in the on state, so diode is on means current is going to flow in this way. So this is plus, this is minus, a 5 volt is going to develop across C, and this 5 voltage is going to added with the input to get the output. So your V out is nothing but V in plus 5. Thank you everyone. If anyone have the doubt, let me know. Thank you.